Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, a problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in this question, if we will look at the figure carefully, we will see that one line segment disappears from the figure in each step, and one from the lower portion and other from the upper portion. From A to B, one line segment is disappearing, and starting from the lower portion, from B to C, again a line segment is disappearing, and this time from the upper portion. Again, from C to D, it is disappearing again from the lower portion, and again from D to E, it is disappearing from the higher portion. For example, from C to D, this line is disappearing, and from D to E, this line is disappearing, and this is again lower and this is upper. Therefore, only option which can be answered to this question is answer number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in this question, if we look at the problem figure, we will see that the arrow, this arrow moves anti-clockwise position in 1, 2 and 3 steps sequentially. From A to B, it will move 1 step. From B to C, it has moved 2 steps, and from D to E, in fact C to D, it will move 3 steps, and so on. And the dot, this dot moves in a clockwise position again 1, 2, 3 steps sequentially. From A to B, it will move 1 step. From B to C, it will move 2 steps, and so on. And this cycle repeats. Therefore, answer to this question is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, the problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in this question, if you look at the problem figure, we will see that each time when a new symbol is introduced, it moves clockwise direction, diagonally opposite, and then one step clockwise. Suppose from A to B, this symbol is newly introduced. Now this symbol will move 1 step clockwise, and as shown in C, and now it will move diagonally opposite as shown in D, and now it will move again clockwise 1 step as shown in E. And this pattern follows. Therefore, the only option which can be answered to this question will be option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, a problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in this question, if you look carefully, we will see that the similar figure reappears in every alternate step. Now, the figure A and figure C are similar. The only difference is that it has become inverted and laterally inverted and larger in size. Similarly, figure C and E are similar. The only change is the figure is inverted and again shrunken in size. Now, if we look at the figure B, it reappears in figure D, and it gets laterally inverted and also reduced in size. Therefore, the answer option should be just reverse of D, that it should be laterally inverted and increased in size. Therefore, the only option which can be answered to this question is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Ninad. In this question, a problem figure is given to us. Let us find the solution of this question. Now, in this question, if you look at the problem figure, we see that the symbol C, gets laterally inverted and moves 135 degree in clockwise direction as shown in figure B, and the triangle symbol, this triangle symbol moves 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction and comes here as in B. Now this again moves 135 degree in clockwise direction and comes here again in C, and again moves in clockwise direction which comes in D, and again follows an anti-clockwise direction and in D. Also, the remaining two symbols, this dot and this X, are interchanged and get replaced by a newer symbol, and this pattern is followed. Therefore, answer to this question is option number 4.